Hey guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In the last video, we have seen how to create an account on Shopify and to set up Shopify store. In this video, we are going to see how to create pages for our Shopify store and how to enter data inside those pages. But before going ahead, if you haven't watched my previous video about creating account on Shopify and setting up Shopify store, then please go ahead and watch that video. I have given the link of that video in the description box below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So let's start. So guys, as you know, this is a dashboard. Now, in order to create pages for a Shopify store, we need to click on the online store option over here, which is there under the sales channel. Once we click on it, pages option get enabled along with the other options like themes, blog post, navigation, and preferences. We are currently interested in pages. This section allows us to edit and create new pages. As you guys can see, we already have a page over here. Contact us. Let's click on it. As you guys can see, currently there is nothing inside this contact us page. We only have the title, that is contact. First, let's see what elements do we have over here. We have the title over here along with the content. We have the formatting options over here like changing the font. Then if you want to give a heading, if you want to give the font styling as bold, italic, also if you want to give it underline, you can also give bullet listings and all. You can also add an image over here by clicking on insert image. Similarly, also you can add video. Just below that we have the search engine listing preview. I'll show you this content over here after we add some demo content inside this content section. Then at the right side, we have the visibility. If the visibility is visible, then the page will be visible on your online store. If you click on hidden, then this particular page will be hidden from your store. Then we have the theme template. This particular section allows us to select the template which is there inside the theme. Guys, basically it is the layout option, how we want the layout of the page to be. Like the contact template might have center alignment of all the content, but the default page might have left alignment. If we select default page, then the content of the page will move to left align. I'll keep this as it is because I don't think so it will make any difference if I change the template to default page. Also, if you want to duplicate any page, then you can click on duplicate option over here. And then once you click on the view page option, you are going to see the page in live preview. As you guys can see, we already have a contact form on the contact page. This is because the Shopify has already inserted the contact form inside the contact page. Now, let's add some content to this. Let's add Google Map to this page. Guys, the trick which I will show you to insert the Google Map over here is absolutely free. You don't require any kind of plugin to insert the Google Map. As you guys know that Google provides the Google Map listings for the websites. That is paid. You need Google Map API to insert the Google Map. But the trick which I am going to show you will help you Google Map inside the contact page for free. Now let's open Google Map. Search the address of your business location. Then we have the menu option over here. Click on it. Then click on Share or Embed Map. Now click on embed a map. We are going to have a map preview of our location. We also have the iframe which we can embed inside our contact page. We need to click on copy HTML. Once copied, again go to the Shopify admin panel, and inside the contact page we can just paste the iframe that we have copied from the Google Map. Now click on save. Now let's see if the output is shown or not. As you guys can see that we are currently not getting any Google Map output. We are seeing the iframe content that we had pasted inside the contact page. But why this is happening? The reason is that we have inserted the iframe directly into the content. That is the UI editor. This is the reason we are getting the iframe. In order to insert the iframe, we need to click on show HTML option over here. Click on this. Now we have the HTML editor. Now paste the iframe over here. And then again click on show editor. As you guys can see that now the preview of the Google Map is shown over here. Now let's click on save and let's see what output we are getting on the contact page. Wow, we can see the Google Map. As I told you, this is absolutely free. You don't need any kind of plugin. Now let's add some basic contact information for this page. I'll enter some contact details over here. Let's enter as address. We'll give it a heading 1. As you guys can see that the styling and the font size has changed. Now let's give the address. We can give formatting for this particular option also. Like if I want to give a bullet list. Now let's save this change. Let's go on the front end and see whether the content is coming or not. Wow, the content is coming. It is coming along with the styling that we have given in the backend. As you guys can see, now we are having a Google Map over here along with the address details, and we also have the contact form. Once the user enters his detail over here and clicks on send, you are going to get that particular detail inside the Shopify admin panel. So in this scenario, we have edited a page. Now let's create a page. Let's create a page by the name About Us. To create a page, click on Add Page. Now let's give it a title, About Us. Then we'll give some content to it. Let's copy the content from Lorem Ipsum. Now let's click on save. Guys, as I told you previously, inside the search engine listing preview, we can see the preview of the page that will be shown on Google. This is how the page listing will be shown on Google. We can also edit it. If you want to make changes to the page title, then you can do along with the description and also the handle. If you want to change the handle of the page, like for the contact page, we have a contact option handle over here. And for the about us page, we have the handle as about us. If you want to make changes to this page, then you can make change over here. First, let's preview this page. Wow, it looks good. As I told you earlier, we can see the handle of the page that is about us. If I make any changes to the handle over here, then that particular handle of the page will be used. Like I'll remove this us and I'll keep about only. Now let's save this. Now let's click on view page. Now you guys can see that the handle has changed. It shows now about. So guys, we saw how we create page and how we update page. We also saw how to add Google Map to the contact page. I hope this video was helpful to you in creating pages for your Shopify store. If you guys like this video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, I'm going to make similar more videos like these. So if you are interested in those videos, then please go ahead and like my videos and don't forget to also share the videos. Thank you.